friends, myself Shevai JB from SJM College, Karad. Now today we are going to start the miscellaneous exercise 4. Now let's see the first question is here. Choose correct alternatives. Now see the first question is, if the equations 4x square plus 8xy plus y square is equal to 0 represent two coincident lines, then h is equal to find out the value of h. Now for solving this type of a question, so first we know that h का equation आपण represent केलेला आहे. It is the combined equation of two lines, but they are passing through origin. Now for finding the value of h, first of all we have to write the given equation. Given equation is 4x square plus hxy plus y square is equal to 0. Now we know that the nature of lines. Now let's see the nature of lines we already learned. Okay, now see, first point is here, value of h square minus ab is greater than 0. That means ज्यावेळी h square minus ab ची व्हॅल्यू तुमची पॉझिटिव्ह येते त्यावेळी बघा, then the two lines are distinct. Okay, now the second condition is here, if h square minus ab is equal to 0, then the lines are coincident. That means they are parallel. Okay, now see, the last condition is, if h square minus ab is strictly less than 0, that means negative, then the lines does not exist. These three are the very important condition. या तीन condition खूप important आहे. बघा, depends तुमच्या लाईनचे जे नेचर आहे हे depends या तीन condition वर असणार आहे. म्हणजे we know that the combined equation of two line is here, 4x square minus hxy plus y square is equal to 0. काय दिले बघा, given condition मध्ये आपल्याला दिलेले आहे, they are the coincident line. That means the given equation satisfying the condition h square minus ab is equal to 0. For taking this condition, first of all we have to find the value of h, a and b. या तीन व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड करायची. Now first of all comparing this equation with the standard equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Now see here, coefficient of x square या ठिकाणी हे आहे, coefficient of x square is here 4, so value of a is get 4, then value of 2h is here h, that means value of h is h by 2, and b is the coefficient of y square, then here coefficient of y square is 1, so value of b take here 1. Now we have to give this equation represent two lines, but these two lines are, it is very important, coincident. That means we take this condition, h square minus ab is equal to 0. Now put all these values in this equation. We can write here h by 2 bracket square minus a is here 4 into value of b is 1 is equal to 0. Now simplify this condition. We can write here h by 2 square is h square by 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So simplify this. LCM of both term is get 4. H square minus 16 is equal to 0. So h square minus 16 we can write is equal to 0. H square get 16. So the value of h is we can write plus minus 4. Okay. All these are the important conditions आहेत. या फक्त लक्षात ठेवा यातली एकच कंडिशन आपण या ठिकाणी यूज केलेली आहे. ते डिपेंड्स क्वेश्चन मध्ये काय कंडिशन दिले याच्यावरून आपण डिसाइड करायचं आहे फर्स्ट सेकंड किंवा थर्ड कंडिशन कोणती अप्लाय करायची. ओके. नाउ सी हियर we get the value of h is here plus minus 4 is the correct option. Now see the second question is here. If the lines represented by equation is ax square minus 3xy plus 6y square is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other, then we have to find the value of k. Now see, we know that the given equation is the combined equation of two lines. हे ज्या दोन लाईनचं combined equation आहे त्या दोन लाईन्स आपल्याला दिलेल्या आहेत. They are perpendicular to each other and we have to learn the condition of a parallel and perpendicular lines of the standard homogeneous second degree equation. Let's see first upon the conditions. The standard equation is here x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We know that हे जे इक्वेशन आपण या ठिकाणी रिप्रेझेंट केलेलं आहे ते अशा दोन लाईनचे इक्वेशन आहे की ज्या दोन लाईन काय होतात ओरिजिन मधून पास होतात आणि त्या दोन लाईनचं हे कंबाइंड इक्वेशन आहे. नाउ बट वी हॅव टू गिव दी टू लाईन्स आर परपेंडिक्युलर and we know that the condition of a parallel lines ज्या दोन लाईन रिप्रेझेंट होतील त्या जर पॅरलल असतील for parallel lines satisfying the condition h square minus ab is equal to 0 and second condition is for perpendicular lines. For perpendicular lines satisfying the condition a plus b is equal to 0. म्हणजेच बघा ज्या दोन लाईन्स रिप्रेझेंट होणार आहेत या इक्वेशन पासून त्या जर पॅरलल असतील तर आपली h स्क्वेअर मायनस ab इज इक्वल टू 0 ही कंडिशन काय होते सॅटिस्फाय होते. देन आफ्टर ज्या दोन लाईन रिप्रेझेंट होतील त्या जर परपेंडिक्युलर असतील तर कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाइड बाय a plus b is equal to 0. But in this example we have to give the lines are perpendicular. So first of all we write the given equation is here k x square minus 3xy plus 6y square is equal to 0. Okay, so for taking this condition first of all we have to find the value of a and b. So compare this equation, compare it with standard homogeneous equation and we know that the standard homogeneous second degree equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Now comparing these two equations we get the value of a is here k, value of 2h we take here minus 3 and value of b is we know that b हा y square चा coefficient आहे and in this equation coefficient of y square is 6. So take b is equal to 6. Now the given lines are perpendicular to each other. We know that the condition for perpendicular line is here a plus b is equal to 0. Okay, so in this condition we have to put the value of a and b. So value of a is here k plus 6 is equal to 0. Now simplify this equation. We can write here k is equal to -6. Okay. Now here B is the correct option of this MCQ. K is equal to -6. Okay. See the next example is here. Auxiliary equation of 2x square plus 3xy minus 9y square is equal to 0 is. So for finding the auxiliary equation of a homogeneous second degree equation, see here the explanation of third example is we have to give the equation 2x square plus 3xy minus 9y square is equal to 0. We already learned the auxiliary equation of, we know that the homogeneous second degree equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. It is the very important equation. त्याला काय करायचं आहे बघा, हे होमोजेनियस सेकंड डिग्री इक्वेशन आहे, याचं ऑक्झिलरी इक्वेशन माहित असलं पाहिजे. आणि या इक्वेशन हे जे काय आहे हे इन टर्म्स ऑफ एम मध्ये रिप्रेझेंट केलेलं आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला बी एच आणि ए च्या व्हॅल्यू पहिल्यांदा फाइंड आउट केल्या पाहिजे. सो using this equation, first of all find out the value of b, h and a. So see here, comparing this equation with standard equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We get the value of a. We know that a is the coefficient of x square. Here is the coefficient of x square is a, and in this equation coefficient of x square is 2. So take a is equal to 2. 2h is the coefficient of xy. Is here take 3, and coefficient of y square is here p, and in this equation coefficient of y square is -9. Okay. Now simply we put all these three values in this equation. We get the auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation is bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. Now we know that the value of b -9m square plus 2h is here 3m plus value of a is here 2. Okay, and it is the auxiliary equation. But see here all those 4 options, this option is not included in all those options. Okay, so first of all simplify this equation. Take all term to the right hand side, we can write here. Otherwise we multiply both side by minus sign. We can write 9m square minus 3m minus 2 is equal to 0, and it is the auxiliary equation of a given equation. So see here in this 4 MCQ, 4 option is the correct answer of this MCQ. Okay. Now let's see the next example is here. To find the difference between the slopes of the lines represented by the equation 3x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. We know that it is the combined equation of two lines they are passing through origin. आता हे ज्या दोन लाईनचं कंबाइंड इक्वेशन आहे ते दोन आपण लाईन सेपरेट करून फाइंड आउट करू शकतो बाय फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथडने, आणि हे प्रोसिजर तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी थेरी मध्ये झालेली आहे. आता ज्यावेळी तुम्ही सेपरेट इक्वेशन फाइंड कराल त्यावेळी तुम्ही सेपरेट इक्वेशनचे वी हॅव टू फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ टू लाइन्स अँड टेक देअर डिफरन्स. अदरवाइज सी द डिफरंट मेथड फॉर फाइंडिंग द डिफरन्स बिटवीन स्लोप्स. ओके. Now see the explanation of our example number 4 is given equation is here 3x square plus y square is equal to 0. Okay. Now see, we know that the difference between slope, we already learned in the theorem, theta is the angle between two lines. We have to find the angle tan theta is equal to 2 root h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Okay. So ज्यावेळी आपण हा रिझल्ट प्रूव्ह केलेला आहे तो प्रूव्ह करताना आपण m1 minus m2 means difference between slope हा ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट केलेला आहे, and difference between slope of two lines we can write plus minus 2 root of value h square minus ab divided by b. We know that the sum of slope is m1 plus m2, and we know that product of slope m1 into m2. Sum of slope is minus 2h by b, and product of slope is a by b. But in this example we have to find the difference between the slopes. Okay. Now see here, take this result. Difference between slope is here m1 minus m2 is equal to plus minus 2 root of value h square minus ab divided by b. Okay. Now first of all we have to find the value of h, a and b. Now comparing this equation with the standard equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We get the value of a. Take a 3. Value of 2h is here minus 4. Simplify this. We get the value of h is minus 2. And value of b, take here coefficient of y square is 1. Okay. Now simply put all those values in this condition. We can write here plus minus 2 root of value h square, that means minus 2 square is get 4 minus a into b. Take a product of these two terms is here 3 into 1. We can write here 3 divided by value of b is here 1. Okay. Now simplify this condition. We can write here plus minus. See here 4 minus 3. Difference of this two term get here 1 divided by 1. Now we know that the square root of 1 is get 1. So we write here value of m1 minus m2 is get plus minus 2. Okay. But see all those options. या ऑप्शन मध्ये आपल्याला कोणतीच व्हॅल्यू निगेटिव्ह दिलेली नाही. So take a positive value of difference between slope is here 2. So A is the correct option of this MCQ. Now see the next MCQ is here. MCQ number 5 is if the two lines represented by the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 makes angles alpha and beta with x-axis, then find out the value of tan alpha plus beta. Okay. So for finding the value of tan alpha plus beta, we have to give. We know that it is the combined equation of two lines. They are passing through origin, and their inclination is here gives alpha and beta. So first of all we have to draw the rough figure of two lines. They are passing through origin. Okay. For the example number 5, see here आपल्याला जे कंबाइंड इक्वेशन दिलेलं आहे ते दोन लाईनचं कंबाइंड इक्वेशन आहे, पण त्या दोन लाईन ऑलवेज काय होतात ओरिजिन मधून पास होतात. सो टेक हियर फर्स्ट लाईन इज हियर L1 and take take here second line is here L2. Okay, these two lines are passing through origin. And given information is here inclination. These two lines makes an angle alpha and beta with the x-axis. That means inclination of line L1 is here alpha, take, and inclination of line L2 is here take beta. Okay, so for using this information, first of all we have to find out the slope of line L1 and L2. So see here, slope of first line is inclination of this line is here alpha. So take slope of first line is here m1 is equal to tan alpha and m2 is equal to take here tan beta. Okay, now see here, we know that the combined equation of these two lines is x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, and we have to find the sum of slope and product of slope of two lines. They are represented by their combined equation is x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So take here sum of slope m1 plus m2, we can write here minus 2h by b, and product of slope, that means m1 into m2, take here a by b. All those concepts we have already learned. Okay, now see here, for finding the value of tan alpha plus beta, take the compound angle formula for tan a plus b, but in that case a is replaced by alpha and b is replaced by beta. So take here tan alpha plus beta. हा फॉर्म्युला ऑलरेडी आपल्याला झालेला आहे. टेक हियर tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Okay, now resubstitute the value of tan alpha is here m1, tan beta is here m2. So put all those value m1 plus m2 divided by 1 minus m1 into m2. Okay, so we know that the sum of slope is minus 2h by d, and product of slope, take 1 as it is, minus sign take as it is, product of slope is here a by b. Now simplify this condition, we can write here minus 2h by b, take as it is, divided by, take a difference between these two terms, and LCM of both term is here b, so difference is get here b minus a divided by b. So write here b minus a divided by b. So these b term get cancelled. We can write here minus 2h by b minus a. So taking common factor of these two terms is minus sign, minus 2h divided by minus, in bracket we can write a minus b, and this minus minus sign get cancelled, and we get the value of tan alpha plus beta. Right here tan alpha plus beta is equal to 2h divided by a minus b. So see here all those options, the correct answer of tan alpha plus beta is here 2h divided by a minus b. Okay, now the remaining example we will see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.